bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back.
Sparking frame on the blacktop, dragging steel. 4 links set up, it's the way that we feel. 6 switch hit, watch the front end rise. Neon glow reflecting in the chrome rim dies. From the custom paint to the tweed inside in a notched out frame. It's a lifestyle ride, aquaphobic, yeah, we're down in the dirt. Low profile tires making asphalt flirt. Lay it frame, let the subwoofers roll. Slam life, dragging door to door. Air it up, drop it down, keep it slow. Minute truckin' magic in the ground force glow. Feel the rumble, let the rhythm take hold. Customized spirits in a body drop mode. Blow through cabin with the blow through sound. 10-inch subs, moving air from the ground. Amps mounted clean, plexiglass on the rack. Capacitors pulsing, no holding it back. Walking the dog on a hydro's hop. Billy steering wheel, never gonna stop. Knoxville nights, Tennessee breeze. Living at 0 with the greatest of ease. No hype, no problem. If it ain't dragging, it ain't right. Static or bag, the pavement is the limit. Lay it frame, let the subwoofers roll. Slam light, dragging door to door. Air it up, drop it down, keep it slow. Minute truckin' magic in the ground force glow. Feel the rumble, let the rhythm take hold. Customized spirits in a body drop mode.